Hi everyone. Welcome back to Vidyadeep Classes. Today, we're going to practice daily life English conversations to help you improve your communication skills. So, let's get started. Waiter, hello. Welcome to Cafe Bliss. What can I get for you today? You, hi. I'd like a medium latte, please. Waiter, sure. Would you like anything to eat with that? You, yes, I'll have a blueberry muffin. Waiter, great choice. That will be $5.50. You, here you go. Thank you. Waiter, thank you. Your order will be ready shortly. Well done. Subscribe our channel for more such videos.